Hello, everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making Tato cups with mozzarella stuffed meatballs in tomato sauce. So, guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by cooking the potatoes. Cut the potatoes into even chunks. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add salt, then place peeled and cut potatoes into the water. Then cook for 15 to 20 minutes until fork tender. While the potatoes are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and saute the onions and the bell peppers. Cook them until they are soft for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a small bowl and let them cool completely. The potatoes are done. Drain the water and transfer them into a medium bowl. Next, whisk 1 egg and add it to the potatoes. Add white pepper, salt, then mash the potatoes. Next, add bell pepper mixture and garlic powder. Mix until well combined. While the potatoes are cooling down, we're gonna move on and work on the meatballs. In a large bowl, combine ground beef, cilantro, 1 egg, add chopped onions, add white pepper and salt, then mix well until just combined. Next, scoop a golf ball sized piece of the ground beef mixture and place a piece of mozzarella in the middle. Press meat around the piece of cheese, fully enclosing it. Then place it on a parchment lined baking sheet. Repeat until all meat is used. Bake the meatballs at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. While the meatballs are baking, we're gonna go ahead and make the tomato sauce. In a large saucepan, combine basil, garlic, oregano, diced tomatoes, and tomato sauce. Add salt and black pepper. Simmer for 10 minutes on medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. The meatballs are done. We're gonna add them to the sauce, cover with the lid, and cook for 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Now let's move on to work on Tato cups. Grease a 13 by 9 inches baking dish with a non-stick cooking spray. Then scoop a handful of potato mixture. Form into a round disc, then place it on a greased baking dish. Repeat until all the potato mixture is used. Next, using a spoon, make a hole in the middle of the potato disc, just like so, guys. Then egg wash the potatoes. Bake the potatoes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. The Tato cups are out of the oven, guys. They are really good, guys, and delicious. Now it's time to serve dinner. These Tato cups, guys, they are great to make ahead and reheat, and I suggest reheating in the oven. So there you have it, guys. Tato cups with mozzarella stuffed meatballs in tomato sauce. Give it a like and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.